Cryptocurrency has captured international attention. The number of tokens is increasing every day, and the way we trade them is constantly evolving. The revolution is firmly underway. Today, investors buy their favorite cryptocurrency and sell it when the price goes up. But what if you could make a profit when the price goes down? Introducing Bitfair, a peer-to-peer derivative trading platform that allows you to profit during price fluctuations of your favorite cryptocurrency. On Bitfair, all trades are recorded in a smart option contract that will only execute at a predetermined price or on the expiry of the trading contract. When the predetermined conditions are met, Bitfair will trigger and execute the trade. Funds then move from the losing trader to the winning trader. Bitfair's advanced matching algorithm allows for 24/7 trading with speed and reliability. Trade up to 1,000 times leverage with transparent cryptocurrency pricing. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you trade? Bitfair. Join the trading revolution.
Hi, my name is Greg. This is Thomas, my technical co-founder. We both share the same surname, but we are not related at all. If you want to hear the story, swing past our booth. It's quite an interesting one. So, as we find ourselves in the current crypto industry as a whole, the entire landscape is rapidly changing in such a way that we cannot even begin to explain where we are going to be within the course of the next 2 years. The entire derivative market as a whole is, in terms of its base estimated value, sitting at $1.2 quadrillion. This valuation is by far one of the most overvalued or highest valued industry in the world. This is significantly higher than that of gambling, significantly higher than the majority of these industries. Now, what Bitfair allows us to do is Bitfair allows us to position ourselves to be able to hedge, insure, and speculate on the pricing points of our favorite cryptocurrencies and be able to profit both in positive and negative price fluctuations.
Yeah, thank you, Greg. So just to quickly explain Bitfair as a solution to you, as you've seen on the video here, Bitfair is a derivative trading platform. Behind the derivative trading platform, we have a financial contract. It's an option. The option executes in only two ways. It will only execute on price or automatically or at the expiry of the option. The option contracts run over a period of 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. All trading contracts are peer-to-peer, and it allows you to speculate on price movements of your favorite cryptocurrency, up or down. As you would know today in the markets, as an example, we can take a few tokens, Lisk, Civic, Steam. We do not hold this token. We have got the industry knowledge to know that this token might go down in value, and we need to trade that situation. We need to profit from that situation. This is what Bitfair provides to the crypto community. In Bitfair, we have an XPF token, and I'll let Greg tell you more about that.
So the XPF token is a utility token, and it's the method in which you are able to settle your fees on the platform itself. So in order to transact on the Bitfair platform and the Bitfair exchange, you're required to pay the fees in our own token. Now, what happens with that is that in order to settle the token, there's either two ways. Either you have the token yourself and in your actual account, and therefore it's debited from your account. If you do not have the token, what we will then do is we will initiate an instant buy order on our asset exchange that will only hold the XPF token. That instant buy order will provide us positive buying pressure on the asset exchange with regards to the XPF token itself, and then that will then be executed and utilized to secure and to commence the smart contract. Now, what ends up happening from that point is that Bitfair ourselves, what we do is we burn 50% of all the tokens that are utilized in fees. Now, the beautiful thing about this is this, from an economics point of view, and our token economics model, is it allows us to create a deflationary effect within the market. So we expect within the course of the first year, we're going to have over 25% of the Bitfair or XPF tokens to be burnt. Basic economics dictate you control the supply, increase the demand, the pricing point will respond positively.
Now, for me, the most exciting part of this roadmap is what's coming forward. So just to kind of explain what we've started doing last year in March when we started this journey, we were hoping to get out into the market September. Getting the moving parts together has just been an insane journey. We've planned this work to perfection, and we started to work this plan. This plan has got a roadmap that is in 3 stages. So Bitfair today, we will launch officially on the 1st of October. Leading up to that date, we will issue a token sale event that will start on the 9th of July. Leading up to the token sale event, the pre-sale that starts on the 9th of July, we will, during June, announce our ICO date. Together with the announcement of the ICO date, we will give the community access to the platform to test and get used to how Bitfair as a trading platform works. We will also be releasing a technical blue paper. The white paper that we have available, you can get a copy at the booth. It's written for the community. It's plain, very easy to understand. We've not gone into extreme details of the actual underlying financial contract, the option contract in it. For those of you that want to know, it's a collar, bull, bear spread option, European style. Part of this roadmap leading forward when we launch the platform on 1 October is the second part of our roadmap is to add a token exchange, something similar, a cryptocurrency exchange, like you'll know, Bittrex, Binance, Kraken, Poloniex, all of them. The only difference is that our primary target is our trading platform, and that our token exchange will have no fees. We believe that through doing this, we can create an ecosystem where we sit in a situation today where a lot of traders who trade on BitMEX move funds over to another asset exchange to buy and sell their actual cryptocurrency. But that's not the big part of Bitfair. What Bitfair aims to achieve, and what we are working hard to do, is, as Greg mentioned, that the derivative market is the world's single biggest market, often estimated at over 1.2 quadrillion, is to launch Bitfair's decentralized derivative protocol. Now, we are taking on a beast, trying to disrupt this industry. We understand that we cannot change the way that this market works overnight, but what we try to achieve through our decentralized derivative protocol is to provide a way the way the financial markets today can start becoming open, fair, and transparent in the way that derivatives are traded. As we all know that market makers and brokers across the world manipulate this market insanely. That is part of the roadmap of Bitfair, and I hope that everyone out there will join our community. As the platform was announced at the Crypto Invest Summit yesterday, everything went live yesterday. This is the start of our journey, and I hope that everyone here can join that journey.
Yeah, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be having a token, or the ICO event. We are going to be selling 720 million tokens. Of that, we have a 13% issuance that we are going to do to one of the largest community airdrops this ecosystem has ever seen. So one of our core focuses here is to positively reinforce and to build on the community. Now, that is incredibly important because the support of the community and the active engagement of the traders alike is what is the ethos and the support structures that build on Bitfair. Now, what we're going to be doing is that as Tom's mentioned, the blue paper itself, the blue paper is the more technical orientated paper. It will have the underlying financial contract in it. That will be released fairly shortly. But what I encourage you all to do is I encourage you to join the Telegram group. Just search on Telegram Bitfair HQ. If for any of the developers that have any questions, you're welcome to chat to our development team on Slack. Please, if you have any questions, please come through to our booth right at the front. We have, by far, we have the most beautiful booth here. Come through, chat to us, ask us any questions. We'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Is there any questions? Yes, that's a very, very good question. So where we are right now, we are incorporated in Anguilla. We chose Anguilla for the simple reason that we could have registered under the Auto Act there, covering us. From a development team, we are all based in South Africa, Cape Town, Johannesburg. Regarding the trading platform, we have applied through the European Union, South Africa, Australia. South Africa we have completed already. Australia should take a while. Currently, we are not opening Bitfair up to the US, unfortunately. The regulation is just too strained. We are in discussions currently with the OCC. They are called the Options Clearing Corporation, to discuss possible synergies there, as they do already hold licensing in the US. That is something we aim to do but we do expect that this can take between 1 and 2 years, unfortunately. Any other questions? Well, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.